How to follow pages for updates in Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to follow pages for updates in Facebook Lite. So now let's get started. To begin with, open the Facebook Lite application on your device. Once you have the app open, carefully search for the specific page you wish to follow and keep updated with. After you find your desired page, tap on the three dot icon and press the follow button. If you would like to receive notifications about new posts or updates from the page, tap on the following option. From there, you can select your preferred notification settings to ensure you stay informed about the content that matters to you. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.